camera today because it's not charged. None of my batteries are charged. I'm going to the shopping areas and more local areas. I'm just walking around. I'm starting late today. It's my last official day in Porto, at least my last night. So I'm going to go around, leave this camera here, and then if I have anything to capture, I will capture it on my phone. I want to walk a little lighter today. I don't want to go with my tripod, and whatever areas I see that I want to take a picture, I will come back tomorrow because I have most of the day tomorrow, God willing, as well, although I have to check out at 11 a.m. And this is my little hairdo for today. It's raining, but it was raining earlier this morning, and it's supposed to rain throughout the time that I'm here actually. I'm here with a weather alert, unfortunately. So this is my hairstyle because my hair got wet and I didn't want to do anything last night.
Presence of my Savior. Spirit, lead me when my trust is sweet the border. Me walk upon the waters wherever you'll call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander. My faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior.
So I'm at the post office to post my postcards. I don't know what to do. So the guy had to tell me to get the ticket, so I almost missed my spot, but the man was so kind. I was on my way home to rest and then to come back out for dinner, and then I've just been stopping along the way to get a few things, and I came across the market. So guys, it's my last night in Portugal and I am going to dinner. I have a 9:30 appointment. It's 9:15 right now, so I need to hurry. It just started raining, but thankfully I have my umbrella so I can make it to dinner. Hopefully there's some live music there and I enjoy the meal. We're gonna have a good time.
satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart.
So it's my final day in Porto, and I'm waiting for my Uber to leave my accommodation.
Wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart.
It's a super rainy day in Porto. It started since morning. It's my last day. I am in the area where I will be getting my massage, but I'm just walking around because I pushed it back to a little later because of the rain and the traffic that I found myself in. So fun stuff, but I can't get to do all of the things that I thought I would. I wanted to do a tour. For one, the tour guides never got back to me because they were not allowing one person to book. But also the rain has come to my style. I intended to take a lot of photos today as well, but that's not a possibility. These are beautiful.
You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches.
It is raining cats and dogs. It is about going to 4 p.m. and I've just left the Porto Cathedral, Cedo Pito, and I am heading to the welcome center of my accommodation to take my luggage and head to the airport.
Crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, crown is so heavy. My crown so heavy.